Do you want to find out how to make your very own rubber ducky shower gel? I'm Katie, here in the AFI DIY lab. Hit that like button, keep watching to find out how. To start, I already have my deionized water measured out and ready to go in my laboratory stir plate. If you don't have access to some of these, that's totally fine. A glass stirring rod will work. I'm going to turn this on to medium speed. First, I'm going to add in my propylene glycol. Next, we're going to follow this up with a tetrasodium EDTA. Now we go ahead and add in our surfactants that will make the shower gel super bubbly and cleansing, but first we're going to put on our safety gear. Let's add in the bioturge, the Stepan, the 9-all, the Amphasol, and finally the Ammonics, all one at a time. Alright, now we can finish this off with the final touches. Of course, preservative is first. Since this is a water-based product, we want to make sure to prevent any growth of mold and bacteria over time. After that's been added in, we can go ahead and add in our fragrance. Today I'll be using AFI's Fizzy Pop. It's already pre-measured out, so I'm going to go ahead and dump it in. And finally, our colorant. To give this shower gel a water appearance, I'm going to be using a blue water-soluble dye. Now that everything's mixed together, let's fill up our packaging container and add in our rubber ducky. Okay, perfect, we saved him. Now we got a super cute little friend to make bath time more fun. This product is perfect for all the kids at heart out there. It costs us about $2 to fill up this 12-ounce bottle, meaning you can sell it wholesale for $3 to $4 and retail for $6 to $8. If you enjoyed following us along for this project, be sure to join our notification squad. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel and then ring that bell icon. Then you'll never miss an update from us here over at AFI. Oh, and if you want to get in contact with us, go ahead and shoot us a message on any of our socials linked down below in the description box. As always, I'm your girl Katie, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!